Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I literally just got out of the gym and it is so nice out. This is winter time in California for you. It is a casual 75 degrees out, so I know it's super cold for us. I know it even gets dark at like 6, but whatever. I'm just trolling you guys. No, it's great here. I'm happy to be in California, not in Chicago. But anyways, guys, today I'm going over my Uber and Lyft car setup. I don't think I have gone over this in a while, and I just wanted to point out a couple of things to help you because if you're a new driver, if you're an experienced driver, there's, you know, as you can see, like just right off the bat, my car on the outside is pretty dang dirty, but I don't worry about the outside. I worry about the inside because that's what passengers rate you 5 stars for. They don't really care if your car's dirty on the outside. I mean, you know, you don't want it to be, you know, I probably will get it cleaned within the next couple of days, but you don't need to clean your car every day on the outside. I mean, the inside you should, you know, vacuum it or whatever, you know, get a little hand vacuum. But regardless, I'm gonna go over my Uber and Lyft car setup for 5 stars and for big tips, because if you guys know me, I always talk about, you know, maximizing your earnings, and getting big tips is a huge part of it. I just finished up a workout. Well, I was kind of midway through, and I all of a sudden was like, I need to make a video for today. I need to make a video for today. So let me, I know, I'm obsessed. I think you can call me obsessed. I think you're obsessed with YouTube when in the middle of your workout, you stop your workout to film a video. Bruh, what am I doing with my life? Okay, here we go, guys. Let's just do the outside really quick. This is my car. It's a 2011 Ford Escape. I absolutely love this car. I bought this car for 5 G's, 5 bands, 5,000 bucks. You should not be spending more than 10K on your car unless you, I don't know, are doing Uber Black or whatever. But in my opinion, even then, you should buy a used car. You should use a used car, because if you're using a car that's valued over $10,000, you are losing a ton of money just on depreciation alone. So as you can see, this is a $5,000 car, nothing special. You don't want to be using a fancy car for Uber and Lyft. I mean, it's a decent car. It's not, I mean, this car is actually a popular taxi car. I did a lot of research before getting it. I even had, you know, I do need to clean that actually. That's fine though. I mean, your passengers again really don't care. Rims, I mean, as you can see, pretty dirty. Let's just do a quick walk around though. This is the front. Got my Uber stickers here, Uber Lyft stickers. As you can see, I mean, it's not a fancy car, but there's no scratches, there's no dents or anything. I mean, there's a few scratches here, like, you know, people trying to get into the car. The previous owner was actually my friend. She actually was in a couple of videos, but you know, there's a few scratches here, but at the end of the day, these little scratches don't really matter too much. Don't want to show you my license plate, but here you can see my back window is super tinted, but I do have my stickers here. You just can't really see them from the outside anyway, but I leave them on just for safety, you know, if passengers feel more comfortable. But yeah, that's the back of my car, or that's the, you know, the outside of my car. I don't know why it still has that huge wire thing. I don't even use that. Maybe I should take that off because, well, I don't know. I don't really use that, but here we go. Let's just hop inside. This is the inside of my car. I have my phone mount here. You guys have to have one of these. You know, I keep it right here. That's fine. I did just install this here. It's a new stereo. I got this. I also got new speakers because they are blown out. And if you guys don't remember, in a lot of my rides, I've been driving without music because my speakers were all blown out. But I just got new speakers, you know, pretty cheap speakers, but whatever, they do the job. And I got this installed. That took a couple hours to put in, but whatever. Phone charger, obviously, for passengers who want to charge their phone. And just in case I need like my phone is dying or something, I have this backup charger. This just plugs into here if I want, and I can stick in another charger. Oh, that's, well, I don't have my other charger, but oh no, I do right here. Here we go. Actually have, oh yeah, this is a double one actually. so I don't even need that one. But this is a backup one, just in case I need to charge 2 or 3 people's phone. I don't have a third one here, but I think 2 is usually fine, at least one for yourself and one for the other person. But if you have party people partying in your car, then you know, you might need 3 or 4, but I don't really care. You don't really run into that issue too much. So yeah, definitely you need a phone mount. I mean, some people say put it over here on this side. You know, you can kind of do whatever. Oh my gosh, now I gotta, whatever. See if I can do that with one hand. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Oh, there we go. Yeah, and then as you can see here, I mean, the inside is what is most important. So I just want to show you guys, like, look at the back seat, right? Like, I mean, okay, that's not that bad, but like, this is fine. This is great. I 100% highly recommend one of these. It's a charcoal, what is it, anti-odor, eliminates odor. It doesn't smell like anything, and then they actually give you a date. I opened it on 10/5, October 5th, and it says it lasts up to 2 years, but you need to place in direct sunlight once a month. So I think you need to put in, I don't know, to reactivate or anything. I love these. It's you don't need one of these, but I don't know, I like it. And then I keep 2 here as well, just so passengers, you know, have it in their face. Because let's face it, some passengers are a little stanky. And so, you know, you gotta, yeah. I mean, as you can see here, actually, this was one thing I was concerned about. This is wax, and Mike, I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, there you go. This is wax. The previous owner of this car, these were all taken off. Actually, these whole seats were down. Like, she never even used the back seats, and she left surf wax in the car, and it melted, obviously, because it gets freaking hot in California. It melted, stained this. I've got this car detailed twice maybe, no, I think just twice, and it would not come out, but whatever. I mean, but yeah, I mean, again, I've never gotten one complaint about that. I mean, passengers really don't care. I mean, as long as your car smells good and it's not dirty. I mean, I try to detail my car. Well, I guess I've only done it twice at this point, but I wipe down the interior, clean the interior, vacuum the interior pretty often. I mean, it's not like crazy. And I could just show you here, this is how many miles I have on my car. Yeah, I mean, it's a $5,000 car. I mean, it's not a brand new car by any means. Look at that, 127,000 miles on it. So like, there you have it. I mean, if I put on another 20,000 miles on it, going from 127 to 147, my car's not going to be decreased that much value. It's only worth 5,000 right now. I might be able to sell it still for like 4,000, 3,000 maybe, once I put, you know, in a year or two, which I guess is still depreciating like another 2,000. Well, I guess right now with 127,000, I could probably get 5,000 for it. So 147, probably could still get like 4,000. So with negotiating too, you know, I'm not gonna just sell it to the first person. I'm gonna put it up for $5,000 probably, with the expectation that I'm willing to go as low as 4 or 5. And I'm just gonna, every time somebody lowballs me, I say, oh, sorry, you know, I'm the lowest I can go is 4 or 5. And then if I say take it or leave it, people will take it, you know. I'm like, and I'll tell them, you know, are you really concerned about the $500? I just got a brand new stereo in it, brand new speakers, you know, brand new air conditioning, new tires. I just got a whole bunch of work on it. Literally, if you pop open the hood, everything looks brand new. I mean, well, I don't want to pop them. I don't want to get my hands dirty. Sorry, I'm not that good of a YouTuber. I'm not a mechanic here. But I do like to do some work. Oh yeah, let me open up my trunk. This car here, guys, it's a big car for Uber and Lyft, 100%. It's bigger than, you know, what you will find. I was just replacing my speakers, so I will need to get rid of that soon. It's really easy to replace your speakers, guys. If you drive an old used car, it's a super cheap, easy thing to do to make your car like seem brand new, is just put in new speakers and make the sound quality like amazing. I don't want to play music because, you know, then I'll get copyright. But like, you can leave a backpack in your back seat. I mean, I'll get rid of that obviously, but I put a backpack in here. Anytime somebody wants to put their stuff in the trunk, you know, look at all that room, guys. Like, it's a lot of room. Yeah, this is my car. Let me know what kind of car you guys drive. To be honest, I will probably drive this car until it hits like 200,000, or until it's, you know, keeps breaking down. Maybe even 250,000. So, you know, I got 100,000 more miles on it. I'll probably need to replace the, what's it called? The timing belt at some point. I just replaced the idle pulley, a couple of other things. But yeah, guys, that's it. This is my car setup to get 5 stars and some cash money. This is $1 bills, guys. Get those dollars so you can go to the club. But yeah, guys, people are staring at me, rightfully so. So I'm gonna end this video, but again, let me know what is the best car. Do you think this is a good car setup? I want to hear your guys' feedback. It's been working great for me. I probably put in maybe $1,000 worth of work on it, maybe $1,500, with all the stereo stuff and all the stuff under the hood and the one new tire since I got it. So $1,500. I mean, that was one of my biggest concerns. Was when I got it, I was like, well, it's a used car. I don't want to put on too much maintenance. 30,000 miles later, I've probably spent around 1,500 bucks on maintenance. And that, I mean, it would be way less if I didn't get a brand new freaking speaker. Like, I put in 4 new speakers, front and back. So, yeah, that was totally optional. I didn't need to do that. But so without that, maybe $1,000 total with the new tire, and because my tire was balding, and then stuff under the hood, like the idle pulley. My car was squeaking a lot, so I got that replaced, fixed. So, I mean, there you have it. Like, you can drive a used car, you can drive a cheap car for Uber and Lyft, and, you know, I kind of got lucky. Like, this was a family friend. I did my research and I looked at the history, the driving history, how often they got their oil changed, what kind of work they got on it recently. You guys definitely should check into that before buying a car. Get the driving history, you know, pull up the VIN, pull it up online and see how many owners it had, if it's gotten into any accidents, you know, how severe, what damage it's got on it. I mean, the really only damage on this one was a couple broken windows. Somebody did break into the car and steal a couple things, but, you know, I mean, that's just a broken window, you know, that's easy to fix. So no huge damage on this car. So if your car has been into a big accident, you know, that's maybe a red flag. But anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I do appreciate it. This is my Uber and Lyft car setup. So now you know when I talk about my car, my experience driving. Oh yeah, and I did also just want to show you guys, where's my phone? Oh, it's right here. I also did want to show you guys, just so you guys know, I'll show you guys my 5-star rating on well, my Uber rating is a little bit lower, but let's see my I don't want to show you guys my ride count because you know, all the haters, but you guys might be shocked at how many rides I've done. But there you have it, guys. 5-star rating, 100% acceptance rate. I accept every single buddy. Anybody who requests a ride, I always pick them up. I mean, for the most part, unless they're not accompanied by or they're drunk. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm sweating. I'm gonna go to the beach, jump in the water, and I will talk to y'all soon. Have a good day, guys. Peace.